An unbiased die means chance of getting each face is same, marked with -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 on different faces, is thrown 5 times. We have to find the probability that product of outcome is positive number. So this is a problem where we have to find that in how many different ways uh, we can make the product of 5 numbers from here positive. Also here if we talk about number of elements in sample space, that total number of possibility. So because we are throwing the dice 5 times, for first throw we have 6 options, any one of these 6 numbers. For second throw again we have 6 options and so on. So right, for all the 5 throw we have 6 options each, and therefore the number of different possibilities will be 6 raised to 5, right? That will be the number of elements in sample space. Now we have to find that in how many different ways we can make the outcome positive, right? Now, as you can see that here we have 3 positive number and then there are 2 negative numbers. If we need positive outcome, then there are different possibility. One possibility is that if I make all the 5 outcomes positive, then their result will be positive, then their product will be positive. So this is one case. If I get positive number in all 5 throws, then the product will be positive. Another possibility will be that if any 2 outcomes are negative, if we have even number of negative outcomes, then also we can make product positive. So any 2 outcome, they are negative, and the remaining 3 outcomes, they are positive. This is another possibility. And finally, the last possibility will be that any one outcome is positive and remaining all 4 outcomes, they are negative. So now we have to see that in how many different ways we can do this one. So, and then obviously let us say E is the event that all outcomes are positive. So probability of A, this will be number of favorable cases divided by total number of cases. As we have discussed earlier, total number of cases, this is 6 raised to 5, right? Because for each of the 5 outcomes, we have 6 possibility. Now let us talk about number of favorable cases. So favorable cases means these 3 cases, right? One case where all 5 outcomes are positive. So if all 5 outcomes are positive, for first outcome we have 3 options. We can take any one of these 3 positive number. For next outcome again we have 3 options. So in this case you'll get 3 raised to 5 number of favorable cases, right? All 5 outcomes are positive. So first one is positive, 3 options, next one is positive, another 3 options, and so on. Second possibility is that any 2 are negative and the remaining 5 are positive. So first select any 2 outcome, right? 5C2, this will represent the different, out of 5 outcomes, you can make any 2 negative. So 5C2 is the number of ways of selecting those 2 outcomes, which will be negative. And the remaining 3 outcomes, they will be positive. Now negative also you can make in 2 different ways, right? For example, let us say first 3 are positive, next 2 are negative. So what is the possible, in how many ways we can make first 3 positive? So first one positive, 3 option, next one positive, another 3 option, next one positive, another 3 option, and 2 outcomes negative, right? So fourth one negative, 2 option, and fifth one negative, another 2 option. So these are the number of cases in this second case, right? 3 cube into 2 square. 3 cube into 2 square, that will represent this particular case, that we have first 3 positive, next 2 negative, and you can arrange this in different ways. So this 5C2 is representing the number of ways to arrange those outcomes, right? Again, I'll repeat this point. 3 cube into 2 square, this is number of ways of getting first 3 outcome positive and next 2 negative. First one negative 3, next one, first one positive 3, next one positive, another 3, and so on. And 5C2 is the different ways to arrange these plus minus sign, right? If first 2 were negative, next 3 positive, still will get the positive outcome. So 5C2 is representing that thing. And similarly, next case, 5C1 or 5C4, maybe 5C4 and 5C1, those two will be same. So select any 4 outcome, those 4 will be negative, and the fifth one will be positive. So 5C4 is for selecting any 4 outcomes, and those 4 are negative. For negative, we have 2 options. Let us say, for example, in this case, first one is positive. So for that, we have three options. Next one is first one positive, three options. Next one negative, two options. Right. Next four negative. For each one, we have two options. So 2 raised to 4. So these are the number of favorable cases, or the number of ways in which you can get a positive product. Right. All five positive, three positive, two negative, and then one positive, four negative. And now you can simplify this one. Once you take 1, 3 common, then in denominator you can have 2592. And when you simplify this, you will get 521 in numerator. Right. So after calculation, you will get this number. And therefore, the correct answer for this problem will be second option. So this was a problem where, you have to consider these three possibility. If I need positive product, either all five positive, three positive, any three positive, and two negative. This one is representing those different cases. And similarly, last one, any one positive, remaining four negative. And then probability is number of favorable cases by total number of cases. So after simplification, we'll get the second option, and that is the correct answer for this problem.